Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to class. My name is Kevin Cosme, your professor for this semester.
Okay.
In my class, I don't want to hear you speaking Tagalog. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, let me know your name first. What is your name?
Ilmon Almansor.
Good.
Oh.
How about you? What is your name?
My name is Ernest Steven Cyclan Never Broke.
Wow, nice name. Afam?
No, sir. Di man good inana.
Oh,
Sabi mo, sir, di pwede magsalita ng Tagalog. Ang pangalan ko, Agapito Hampas Lupa, Di Matuga.
okay, let's proceed now. Our lesson for today is science. Now, what is science? You, Mr. Almansor.
Science, sir, is our lesson for today.